Let's discuss the sum of the argument in the favor of democracy. Those who are discussing merit of democracy, they are also the argument for democracy. बहुत ज़्यादा अंतर नहीं है. जब भी हम डेमोक्रेसी की मेरिट की बात करते हैं बच्चों, मेरिट का मतलब डेमोक्रेसी के क्या गुण हैं, वही डेमोक्रेसी के फेवर में आर्ग्यूमेंट जाते हैं. बट हेयर आई एम जस्ट रिकॉर्डेड दिस वीडियो for your purpose so that you can easily understand that ki what are the argument for democracy. In this topic we will discuss that what are the things that make the democratic form of system or democracy in a better way. वो क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो डेमोक्रेसी को कंपेरेटिवली अन्य किसी सिस्टम की तुलना में ज़्यादा अच्छा और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती हैं. सो लेट्स सी. First of all, as you know very well that कि comparatively to the any other form of government, चाहे आप डिक्टेटरशिप की बात करें बच्चों, या आप ऑटोक्रेसी की बात करें, मोनार्की की बात करें, या हेरिडेटरी किंग की बात करें, किसी भी सरकार की तुलना में जो हमारी डेमोक्रेसी होती है, इट इज़ द बेटर गवर्नमेंट. वी कैन नॉट कंपेयर डेमोक्रेसी विद एनी अदर फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. देयर आर सो मैनी फैसिलिटीज, देयर आर सो मैनी मेरिट्स under this government, so we can say that ki always democracy provide the better government. Second is accountable government. जो democratic government होती है, that is accountable government. Anything it happens in any country where the democratic form of system are there, the government took responsibilities, चाहे वो सक्सेस की हो, चाहे वो विफलताओं की हो. So democratic government always is a accountable government. Suppose that we have discussed in the previous lecture, in 1958 to 1961 there is a great famine in China and the lots of people have lost their life. That time in India there is a democratic form of government. They have arranged the food security to the peoples of India. भारत के लोगों के लिए food security arrange किया. These examples shows that India is these examples are shows that the democratic government are accountable government. You take the example of corona. The corona was spreading very speedily. Government took many steps because the government is accountable. If any Indian citizen have lost their life, the government is accountable. They have just invented the जो भी टीका बना, जो भी इंजेक्शन बना, एंटीवायरस बना, उसका इस्तेमाल हुआ, and nowadays we are completely free from the coronavirus. So government of democratic government is the accountable government, we can say. Third is allow to correct mistake. कभी भी हमसे कोई डिसीजन होता है, sometime we took the wrong decision, that is not in the favor of public. So democracy always provide room to correct our mistake, and anytime we can correct our mistake, because if we take any wrong decision for the long time we cannot hide. एक समय बाद जनता को पता चली जाता है कि वॉट एवर द डिसीजन इज टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो एक्टिव. दे ट्राई टू करेक्ट देयर मिस्टेक, एंड व्हेन दे करेक्ट देयर मिस्टेक इट इज देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी ओनली इन डेमोक्रेसी. ये केवल डेमोक्रेसी में ही पॉसिबल है. इंप्रूव द डिसीजन मेकिंग. इफ यू टेक एनी डिसीजन we want to improve, there is a procedure to change in the constitution which is known as amendment. And there are so many amendments in the constitution. When the government want to improve their decision, they can change in our constitution with the majority in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The consent of the member is required to do any change in a constitution. तो अपना डिसीजन भी मेकिंग करते हैं, इंप्रूव करते हैं. डील विद द डिफरेंसेस. तमाम तरीके के डिफरेंसेस होते हैं. इंडिया डाइवर्स कंट्री है, हिंदू मुस्लिम सब लोग रहते हैं, सबके कस्टम, सबके ड्यूटीज, सबके रीति रिवाज, सबके प्रेफरेंसेस आर डिफरेंट. द गवर्नमेंट हैव टू टैकल विद दीज डिफरेंसेस. गवर्नमेंट ऑलवेज टेक इनटू कंसिडर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी कम्युनिटी. They deal with the differences and try to set the harmony in India. Not only in India, in any countries. So basically when we talk about the argument for democracy, it is a better government, always take good decision, accountable government, improve decision making and deal with the differences. And also we can add one more point that it always correct mistakes. हमारी कोई भी मिस्टेक्स होती है उसको भी हम करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Is possible only in democracy. So all these things, all these points were in the favor of democracy, which shows, which proof that democratic form of government is better form of government as comparatively to the any other form of government. So thank you.